Okay, good morning. Nandito tayo sa first station natin ngayon sa ating prayer rally sa Benguet. And of course, we'll take the opportunity na interviewin din natin ang ating COP dito. We are from our brother's keeper, my brother's keeper, me, Pastor Ryan, and Pastor Jason with me, and our companion. And nandito ang ating COP na itas na ating COP. Yan na nag-attend ng 21st Century Leadership. Ano ang magandang takeaway mo din sa ating 21st Century Leadership?
Yes sir, good morning po.
Good morning.
At first, just a little background sir.
Yes.
Yung sa so at first we were instructed or there was an instruction that we will attend that lecture seminar. And of course, we are asking ourselves that what would be the topic or how will it go. So at first, kanya-kanyang yung naglalaro sa isipan namin. Yes sir, when we were there, it's there na nakita natin magandang flow ng lecture that every lesson may activity and then parang nag-usap-usap, sharing of experiences within the group, and then after the group we'll share it to other groups. So maganda yung every lesson ano mo talaga yung may makukuha ka. Okay? So my greatest takeaway sir regarding that activity is it's all about leadership and how since we are designated as chief of police or other officers to lead other officers. My greatest takeaway that activity is the compassion and you lead, not command. We lead our men, not just stay on top and command. So that's the compassion of the leader to his subordinates. So my every time sir, I will check on myself also. I'm receiving orders and I will also relay orders to my subordinates. But before I will do, or no, before and after, I will ask myself or check in myself, is it right? Did I do it right? And also, of course, I will listen to, or then that's what I always do, that I will need time for my personal to say, or I'm open for the suggestions and comments whenever you have activities or yes, activities. I'm open for your suggestions because I know that kailangan din natin pakinggan yung ating personnel, hindi lang yung will not just give the orders and yung gawin nila ng kahit sa anong
Tama.
we need to check on them also. So that's what I do every time we have activities. I give instructions, but after I also check in myself to right, and also to our personnel. So if it's not effective, of course I have to adjust, even though it means that I will change my decision.
Lesson 5 yun, strategies.
Yes.
Change.
Hindi yung nag-decide tayo nung una, hindi naman siguro it's not a failure of a leadership decision.
True.
While situations emerge or new situations na lalabas. So we need to adapt and adjust. Kasi on our plan, we foresight the events, but sometimes our foresight lacks. So may tinatawag tayo na biglaang event or mangyayari.
Tama.
So of course, we stick to the plan, but we have our contingencies or we adjust the budget. So like parang baril lang yan sir eh. Kung bago mo gamitin, calibrate. So i-zeroin mo muna eh. And then after, pagka i-keep na naman, to recalibrate. So para maging effective. And yung effect din ng sa akin personally, the seminar personally to my family, yun, doon natin na yung minds natin how to balance or work and family. So,
Ganda.
professionally and personal. So that's the most important thing naman, and they are our foundation. While we are here at work, they are our foundation. So if we have a strong foundation, we'll be it goes with our professional career. So, there's no success in if there you have achieved so much in your career but you have a broken family. So that's yun yung isang ano eh, parang pumunting sa amin sa group eh, yung balance ng work and family. To hindi yung mapabayaan yung one way or the other. So, yung isang groupmate namin noon, yun ang sinabi niya eh. Because of the work before, hindi siya naka-attend masyado sa family. So this time, bumabawi.
Yung
Parang ganun. So yung isang...
Which is maganda, no? So, at least naging magandang reminder. At the same time, nakita natin yung effect dito sa ating municipality dito sa Tagum. By the way, ito ang ating snappy na Major Jim Chris Dagdag. Yan. Pag-pray natin that he would be more talagang i-bless siya ng Panginoon. At nakita natin yung kanyang true to life na talagang answer doon sa mga takeaways sa 21st century leadership. By the way, I am your brother's keeper, Pastor Ryan Dakanay, together with me, Pastor Jason, and Sir Major Chris Dagdag. We are your brother's keeper.
I am Police Major Jim Demot Tagdag and I'm a 21st century leader.